Hi, Dave Ertl here, Senior Employment Lawyer and founder of Ertl Lawyers. In this video, we're going to answer the most frequently asked questions we get about applying for EI after termination. And that includes how to apply, when you can apply, when should you apply, what happens after you apply, when do you get your first EI payment, how much is EI, and how long does it last? Here we go. You apply for EI in one of two ways, either in person at a Service Canada location, or you can apply online. It takes about 1 hour to complete the application online. In the description below, you'll find a link to find the nearest Service Canada location if you want to go to one, as well as a link to apply online. Both are government websites. You can apply as soon as you've been terminated, and even if your employer has not yet issued your record of employment, and even if you've received a severance package from your employer. The point is to open an application and then complete any missing portions afterwards, such as a ROE that's been filed late by your employer. You should apply right after your termination, even if the employer has not yet issued your record of employment, and even if you've received a lump sum severance payment from your ex-employer. If you delay your application for more than 4 weeks, there's a danger, at least according to stated Service Canada policy, of losing some benefits or being disqualified altogether. The exception to applying as soon as possible is where the employer is paying you a salary continuation instead of a lump sum severance package. That's because with a salary continuation, you are still considered employed and you won't receive an ROE until after your salary continuation period is over. If your application is accepted, you may be required to wait 1 week until they verify all your information. You'll also receive a benefit statement and a 4-digit access code. That code and your SIN number are required to track the progress of your application. You'll also have to provide Service Canada with updates in the form of bi-weekly reports. Now, if your application is rejected, Service Canada will send you a letter or call you to explain why. If you think your application has been denied unjustly, you can ask for a reconsideration, and there's no cost to that process. Generally, you'll get your first payment around 28 days after applying. Now, if you received a severance package from your employer, Service Canada will take that into account, and it may push back the date when you start receiving EI. In other words, if you, for example, got 7 weeks of severance pay, you likely wouldn't start receiving EI until roughly 7 weeks of time has passed. For regular benefits, the basic rate for calculating EI is 55% of your pay, up to a maximum amount of $595 every week. Now, the maximum amount can vary over time. Benefits can be reduced if you earn money from self-employment or part-time work while on EI. But things such as pension payments from RRSPs or RIFs won't reduce EI benefits. Again, this is Dave Ertl, Senior Employment Lawyer, and those are the top frequently asked questions we get about EI. If you've been terminated and you need legal advice, give us a call. We've helped thousands of people get the severance and benefits they deserve. We offer a free consultation and fair and flexible rates. Our help can make all the difference.